In this PC build, we focus on a budget AM5 build, perfect for future upgradability and peak performance. First, we have our motherboard. This is about the cheapest available option that lacks some features, but it still is equipped with absolutely every necessary component. Next, the powerhouse of the PC, the mitochondria. Just kidding. We have the Ryzen 5 7600, the cheapest option in the AM5 platform for now, without lacking any performance for gaming. Perfect for mid-range PC builds. Now, for the RAM, we have our Team Group Elite Plus DDR5. Obviously the newest platform to shred through games with all your favorite tabs open wide. For storage, we chose the Silicon Power A60, 1TB. Plenty of storage for casual gaming. Would I buy it again? Not for this build. Still can't believe I've cut the most valuable box in technology reselling. But our GPU of choice is the AMD, yeah I said it, RX 6600 XT, an absolute animal at 1080p with the ability to tackle any game at high or ultra settings. And lastly, the fans, of course, to match the white aesthetic. We didn't record it unfortunately, but our CPU cooler is the Thermalright Assassin X, which is plenty for the CPU we chose.
Colombo. You be the judge like Rondo. Gotta stop on the convo. You gotta need Toronto. Your friends like Colombo. You be the judge like Rondo. Never go slow.